All right, here's a quick little tutorial how to get into HelloId and further how to get to the Google Classroom from HelloId. So notice that I'm not signed in. I will type in helloid.skschools.org. I find this is the most direct way. Hit enter. It will now ask your student to log in with their username. And then you need to add @skschools.org and then your password. If you do not have this information, please reach out to your student's teacher. They should have that information for you. All right, then you will click sign in. And it's as easy as that. Now you're into HelloId. You should see your student's name right over here. If you are using a shared device, I have a different video on how to switch between users. It gets a little tricky because sometimes, well, actually all of the time, it will continue to log into the HelloId account of whichever student used it last. So look for that video if you need that information. And now you are at HelloId. I have clicked on all apps, and what you see here may look different for you or your student because this is specific to each school. So what you see here is specific to John Sedgwick Middle School. Every school, however, should have a link to Google Classroom and Google Drive. Google Drive, if you're familiar with PCs, is just like your hard drive. It's where you save all of your files, and anything a student creates in Google Classroom will be automatically saved to the Google Drive, and they can access that from anywhere that has internet because it is a cloud-based service. So right here is where they go to get into Google Classroom. You just click on it. If this is your first time going into the Google Classroom, you should see whichever class your teacher has added you to, and there'll be a little blue join button here, and you just click on that join, and then it will open up that classroom and your student is logged into it. Okay, so what you see here are all the classes that my daughter is part of because she's a middle school student. You may only see one classroom because your student is in elementary school. So don't worry if you only see one in there. You should see one from your child's teacher. And if you don't see one from your child's teacher, then again, reach out to your child's teacher and find out what's going on there. But that's it, simple. Because I'm in a browser, if I wanted to go back to HelloId, all I need to do is click right here, and then you see what other applications are available to your student. That's it. If you need some help, you can reach out to me. My name is Heather Wilson. My email is wilsonh@skschools.org.